everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm baking something truly unique, a Tangerine Semovita Cake. It is soft, citrusy, and made with semovita for that perfect texture. Stick around to see how this delicious twist comes together. Look at what we have here. This is super good, a must try. Let me show you how I prepared it. In a bowl, I'll be pouring eggs, and into the egg I'm going to add sugar into it. I'll use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers. Newcomers are also welcome. Please remember to join us here. Turn on your notifications to be getting notified whenever I upload a new video. Into it I poured in some salt, and I'm going to add vanilla sugar. Feel free to use vanilla extract, they are the same, just to flavor it. I've just poured in vanilla sugar now. So into the mixture I'm going to add vegetable oil. Instead of vegetable oil, you can also use melted butter. Okay, this is okay. I used vegetable oil, so I'm going to mix everything together. Please remember to subscribe, remember to leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you so much. So lovelies, it is now well mixed, and I'm going to add milk into it. After that, I'll be adding the tangerine water. Feel free to use a freshly pressed one. I use this one, a store-bought, but it is 100% organic fresh fruit. All right, so that is the juice from the tangerine. I poured it into this, and I'm just going to mix everything together again until they become one and also become so creamy. Look at it, it's super okay. It's now time to add the Semovita into it. All right, you can use Semovita, you can use Semolina, just use Semo, the one you will use for swallow. All right, after pouring it into this, I'm going to add all-purpose flour. I'm just going to sieve it into it. I want it to be as fine as possible. All right, so after sieving it into this, I'm going to add baking powder. Yes, we need baking powder. Like I've said, please check the description box and the comment section. You will find everything I used there. All right, so I poured in the baking powder, and I'm also going to mix it together gently like this. You don't need a mixer at this stage. A spatula or spoon is super okay. So lovelies, this is the kind of texture you're going to have, and this is how I'm going to leave it. So it's now time to keep it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I'm going to oil my baking tray, yes, so that it will be so easy to remove my cake when it is ready. You can see how I cream it very well. I'm going to transfer the dough now, the semolina dough, into the tray, and I'm going to spread it well. Have you subscribed? Please, if you haven't done that, kindly do so now. Thank you so much. So lovelies, I've turned my oven on to 180 centigrade, and I'm going to bake this for 40 minutes. So tra-la-la, it is ready. I allowed it to cool down a bit, and it's now time to try it. Lovelies, the aroma here is super good. You will know that this is super good. Lovelies, it is super delicious, super filling. It's a must try. It's a must try. Give it a try and you're gonna love it. Lovelies, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, and see you in the next one.